How to make $1 million this year. Welcome to this important video, where we'll be discussing the steps you need to take to make $1 million in just 1 year. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any tips that will change your life. But before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about the mindset you need to have in order to succeed. Making $1 million in 1 year is no small feat and requires a combination of factors to be in place in order to be successful. Firstly, it is important to have a strong work ethic and a willingness to put in the necessary effort to achieve your goals. This means being willing to put in the time, energy, and focus needed to make your vision a reality. In addition to hard work, having determination and a positive, growth-oriented mindset is crucial. This involves having a belief in your own abilities and a willingness to learn and grow as you work towards your goal. It's important to maintain a positive outlook, even when faced with obstacles or setbacks, as these are simply part of the journey towards success. One key aspect of achieving $1 million in 1 year is staying focused on your goals. This means avoiding distractions and staying committed to your vision, no matter what challenges may arise along the way. It is also important to be patient and persistent, as success often requires a long-term approach and a never-give-up attitude. Tip number 1, identify your skills and explore monetization opportunities. The first step towards making $1 million in 1 year is to identify your skills and determine how you can monetize them. This means taking a closer look at what you excel at and what you enjoy doing, and then finding ways to turn those skills into a source of income. If you already have a high-income skill, such as programming, copywriting, video creation or editing, digital marketing, or sales, then you have a head start. These skills can be leveraged to start your own business, find freelance work, or offer consulting services. Take some time to write down all of the skills you possess and think about how you can monetize each one. On the other hand, if you don't have a high-income skill yet, it can be a valuable investment of your time to learn one. High-income skills are in demand and can always be used to generate income, regardless of the economy or job market conditions. So, consider taking courses or finding resources to develop your skills and increase your earning potential. Tip number 2, create a solid business plan and set goals. After identifying your skills and exploring monetization opportunities, the next step towards making $1 million in 1 year is to create a solid business plan. A business plan acts as a roadmap for your success, providing clarity and direction on your goals, strategies, and the steps you need to take to achieve them. When creating your business plan, it's important to set achievable targets and include a clear financial plan. This will help you track your progress and measure your success. Your financial plan should include projections for your income, expenses, and profits, and should be regularly reviewed and updated as you make progress towards your goals. Nothing good in life happens on accident. Therefore, it is very important that you have a plan of what you are going to do. A solid business plan will also keep you focused and motivated. It provides a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and how you plan to get there, which is essential in maintaining your determination and drive. Without a plan, it's easy to get sidetracked and lose sight of your goals, but with a solid plan in place, you can stay focused and make steady progress towards your $1 million goal. Tip number 3, invest in education and training. Making $1 million in 1 year requires ongoing education and training to expand your knowledge and skills. Investing in yourself and your personal development is essential for long-term success and growth in any industry. One of the best ways to invest in education is to take courses and attend workshops that are directly related to your business. This will give you the opportunity to learn from experts in your field and gain new perspectives on your industry and your goals. Additionally, reading books and other educational materials can help you stay up to date with the latest trends, best practices, and strategies. Another great way to invest in your education is to seek out guidance and mentorship from someone who has already achieved what you want to achieve. This person can provide valuable insights and understanding of the struggles and important strategies involved in making $1 million in 1 year. By seeking out mentorship, you can gain a deeper understanding of the challenges you may face and how to overcome them. Tip number 4, increase your income. You have to increase your income drastically. There are many ways to maximize your income, including discovering new sources of income, negotiating a raise, or pursuing a side hustle. Finding new sources of income can come in the form of a higher-paying job, freelance work, or starting your own business. Negotiating a raise is another way to increase your income, and it can be done by demonstrating your value to your employer, highlighting your achievements, and demonstrating your commitment to the company. But pursuing a side hustle is the best way to supplement your income and add an extra stream of revenue to your finances. We will talk about the best ways to make money online at the end of the video. Maximizing your income is a critical aspect of achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals. It's important to take a proactive approach to increasing your earnings, as this will help you achieve your objectives more quickly and live a better life. Tip number 5, invest and reinvest. Reinvesting your earnings into your business is a crucial step in achieving long-term success. Not only will it help your business grow, but it will also ensure that you stay ahead of your competitors. By continuously improving your products or services, expanding your reach, and investing in marketing, you can establish yourself as a leader in your industry. This will also help you attract more customers and increase your revenue. It's essential to be open to exploring new opportunities and taking control of your finances. Many people feel intimidated or afraid to take financial risks, but it's important to remember that taking control of your finances is the key to unlocking your full financial potential. The more you know about your finances and the more proactive you are in managing them, the more successful you will be in achieving your financial goals. To maximize your potential for success, it's crucial to have a well-defined strategy for investing your earnings. By diversifying your investments and investing in a variety of assets, you can reduce your overall risk and increase the likelihood of achieving your financial goals. When choosing investment options, it's important to do your research and select reputable companies with a proven track record of success. Tip number 6, manage your time. In order to make $1 million in 1 year, effective time management is key. Building a successful business or side hustle can be challenging, especially if you're also juggling other commitments like work or school. However, by setting clear goals, creating a structured schedule, and using tools and technology to streamline your online activities, you can maximize your earning potential and reach your goal in a timely and efficient manner. Remember, the key to success is to stay focused and motivated, and to believe in yourself and your ability to reach your financial objectives. With hard work, determination, and a positive, growth-oriented mindset, you can achieve your goal of making $1 million in 1 year. However, building businesses takes time, effort, and expertise. To maximize your chances of success, consider the following tips. Conduct thorough market research. Understanding your target market and their needs is crucial for creating a business that can generate high returns. Look for underserved niches and consider what products or services can be offered to meet those needs. Create a strong brand. A strong brand helps you stand out from the competition and attract loyal customers. This can be achieved through a clear brand message, a visually appealing logo, and consistent branding across all marketing materials. Build a scalable business model. A scalable business model allows you to increase your earnings without proportionally increasing your expenses. This can be achieved through outsourcing, automation, and other strategies that can reduce your workload and increase efficiency. Stay up to date with industry trends. To stay ahead of the competition, it's important to stay informed of the latest industry trends, marketing techniques, and technology. This will help you to be ahead of the curve and adapt your business accordingly. Hire a team of experts. Building a successful business takes a lot of hard work, so don't be afraid to hire a team of experts to help you reach your goals. This includes website developers, graphic designers, and marketing specialists. With the right team in place, you can focus on the big picture and let them handle the day-to-day operations. Tip number 7. Selling a business can be a great way to make $1 million a year or even a month. You could build, for example, multiple websites or online stores that are making money. You could sell your website or shop with various marketing resources and knowledge on how this website or shop can be further scaled to increase the value and make more money. In order to maintain and increase your wealth, it is crucial to adopt a disciplined approach to your finances. This means being intentional with your spending, setting aside a portion of your income for emergencies, and tracking your expenses through a budget. The key is to prioritize your spending in a way that aligns with your financial goals and eliminate impulsive purchases that do not contribute to your success. Practicing discipline also means being consistent in your efforts towards achieving your financial goals, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. You need to have the determination and perseverance to keep moving forward, even when it gets tough. There will be days when you feel unmotivated, but it's important to push through and continue working towards your goals. This kind of discipline will help you build a solid financial foundation, increase your wealth, and achieve financial stability over the long term. In conclusion, the path to financial success and achieving your goal of making $1 million in 1 year requires a combination of effort, persistence, and smart planning. By putting the tips we've discussed into action, you can increase your income, maximize your earning potential, and establish a strong financial foundation that will help you achieve your goals. Whether you're just starting out or are already well on your way, remember that success is possible with the right approach and mindset. It's important to have a growth mindset where you embrace challenges and continuously learn from your failures. Success is a journey, not a destination, so don't be discouraged by setbacks. Keep pushing forward and stay focused on your goals. With patience, discipline, and the right strategies, you will eventually reach your $1 million goal. For the best ways to make money online, watch this video next. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial tips and advice. And we will see you in the next video.